guys! Welcome back sa aking channel. This is Chris Allen. Araw meron tayong papanoorin bagong video galing sa The Voice Kids Brazil 2020 at papanoorin natin yung isang talented na Brazilian kid. And ito yung isa sa mga pinag-uusapan na performance galing dito sa bata na to. And his name is Kawi Peña. So, isang Brazilian. So, huwag niyong isipin Pinoy siya. Something Pinoy lang yung pare. So, Kawi Peña sang the song or did a cover of Whitney Houston's song. So, I'm excited to see this performance kasi nga, pinag-ausapan to. Iba ito bang na itong natapos yung programa. But ito yung isa sa mga maraming nanonood sa kanyang performance. So with no further ado, let's watch the video and later I'll be giving my opinion on the performance of Kawi Peña of an Whitney Houston song. So, hindi ko alam kung anong Whitney Houston song yan. So let's go! The Voice Kids Kawi Peña. Run to you.
That you won't see, but I won't take the time. I know in my heart. Oh, girls are scared sometimes. It's way strong. Can't you see the heart of me? I feel so low.
Okay, there you go. Napanood nyo natin yung performance ni Kawi Peña from Brazil. And para sa The Voice Kids Brazil 2020. At kinanta niya kinover niya yung song na ni Whitney Houston na Run to You. Ang linis, ang galing-galing performance siya. Ang linis na boses niya. Napaka-powerful. And no doubt bakit. I think half black siya, half African, Brazilian. And alam natin mga ganyang timbre ng boses galing sa mga African, yung mga may African descent, diba? So, wow, ang galing. Maganda, malinis yung performance niya. As in, siya yung young male version ni Whitney Houston with that song. And galing. So, no doubt kung bakit pinag-uusap yung performance because sa young age niya, yung boses niya ganun na kalakas, ganun na ka-powerful, ganun na, as in malakas, malaki yung boses niya. Ang ganda ang pakinggan. Kasi everything is very good. Malinis, walang. So, even yung ninig, mga nervous, wala rin ako napansin sa boses niya. So, wow. Congrats to Kawi Peña and amazing performance. Congratulations to Kawi. So, yun. Then, that's my opinion on the performance of Kawi Peña. Kayo pa mga quiz, mga taste, na gusto niyo ba yung performance ni Kawi Peña sa The Voice Kids Brazil 2020? Kung sang-ayon kayo or not, kung meron kayong how you call it against mga sinabi ko, please drop your comment below and I will read it and I will try to reply kung kailangan. And if you have any suggestion or request, please do drop your comments also below and I will try to read it and try to make a reaction video based on your suggestion and request. So that's it. Thank you very much. And before I end this video, I have 4 things that you should remember while watching my video. Comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.